Hello and welcome to the second lecture on Unit 6, that is web hosting. So in lecture 1 we have understood what do we mean by web hosting, why we require web hosting and what are the type of web hosting. So in lecture 1 we have understood the basic terminology regarding to web hosting. Now this is lecture 2 and in this lecture 2 we are going to actually see the demo of how to perform the web hosting in such a way that whatever website we create will be accessible from all across the world. So we are going to host our website on the server in such a way that it will be live on the internet. So let's start with the demo. So first, in order to host the website on a server, we first create a simple web page in such a way that will be accessible from all over the internet. And once the web page is accessible on the internet, we can put the entire website instead of a single page. So let's try to create a single web page first. So we'll be creating a new bracket file. So I'll be opening a bracket here. So let me close this PowerPoint presentation. So I'll be closing this PowerPoint presentation and then I'll be opening the bracket. Now let's create a new file. Now you have to store this particular file as index.html. You can store it with the any name, but most commonly preferred name is the index.html. Now why index.html? We'll understand it later, but give that particular file name as index.html. I will write a simple HTML code here. I'll call it as first web page. Now this will go within the title. Side ahead, I'll create a title tag and here I'll call it as first page. Now let's create a body tag here. And now in the body tag, I'll write here as my first posted web page. So this is a web page with the name index.html created. Now let's close the bracket and let's open it with the browser. Now it says my first hosted web page. Now this web page is accessible on your PC only because it is stored currently on your personal computer. That is on my personal. Let's add some decoration to this particular page. So then I'll open it with the brackets and we'll simply change this text to the type HTML so that the content will be displayed to larger size. Now, again, we'll see this particular web page. So I'll open this web page again. Now you can see this is stored on my desktop with the name index.html and it says my first hosted web page. Now this web page is currently on my PC. Now I have to host this particular web page in such a way that it should be accessible over the internet. So currently we know hosting requires the charges, but on the internet there are also some options available which allows you to host your website for free. So you can go on Google and search for free web hosting and you can choose any of these web hosting. Generally I'll suggest go for this web hosting, that is 000 web host. So this is the easiest form of hosting your web page if you are a new user. We are going to see that this type of hosting, but we'll start with the 000 web. So we go on 000 web host here, and here you can see this is the website for 000 host, web host. Now here you can see the web hosting is available at various price range. So rupees 47 per month, rupees 95 per month, rupees 175 per month. But we don't want to invest in it because we are just learning how to host our website. So we'll go for this particular free package. That is 0 rupees per month. So we'll scroll it down and we click on free sign. Now once you click on the free sign up, you can see here there is a sign up page available. Here you can fill your email, you can fill the password, you can repeat the password and you can click on sign. If you don't want to sign up by filling the form, there is one good option available, that is login with. So I'll be logging with Google. So I'll be logging with Google with my this email ID. As you can see, I'm logged in with my Gmail account on 000. Now since I'm logged in at very first time, it will show you hello, my username, and it will show me some information what I can do. So I'll not accept this. There is one option available, take me to the panel. So I'll click on this, take me to the panel. So when I click on the take me to the panel, it will ask you the website name. So I'll give the website name as, let's say, Ajay Kapse, and I'll give the password myself. So I'll be giving the password. You can do any password. Currently I'm giving the password. So I'll not tell the password, and then you can click on the submit. So as you can see, it will take some time. Yeah. So it is saying that the password is too short. So I want to change the password. I need to change the password. Now I can click on submit. So password should be at least 8 characters long. As you can see, yeah. So it will say that my website is created. Now it will ask you use our website builder, install the WordPress. So we don't want to use a website builder, or we don't want to install any third-party software, but we have to upload the web page that we have created. So we'll be selecting this particular option. It is upload your site. You can select that. Now once you click on this, if you click on that particular upload my website, you can see you will be redirected to this particular web page. Okay, which consists of two folders, PNP and the public underscore. So PNP is basically called as temporary folder, which is of no use. Okay, now public underscore HTML is the most important folder, which should contain all the web pages or all the files which you have developed under your website. So whatever the website files you have developed, all the files should be available inside public underscore HTML. Then I'll click on this public underscore HTML. So once I double click on this public underscore HTML, here you can see I'm currently on website Ajay Kapse, and on this particular website I am inside a public underscore HTML. Let me show it again. So I'll go back. So I'll simply click on the public underscore HTML, Either you can double click here, okay, or you can simply click here at the left side, public underscore HTML. Now I am inside the public underscore HTML. Now in public underscore HTML, there will be one file available that is called as .htaccess. Now this is the file which stores the accessibility information. So don't touch this particular file. Don't delete or rename this particular file. This is the important file. So keep this file as it is. Okay. Now we know we have created our index.html here. Okay. Now we have to upload this index.html. Now, how to upload this? If you see here, the different options are available. And one option available here is the upload files. As you can see here, this is the upload. I can click on the upload files. Okay. Once I click on the upload files, it will ask me to select the files. So I can click on the select files, and from the desktop, I'll click on the index.html. And since I selected the index.html, it will show this particular file, and it will ask me to upload. As you can see, the uploading is being performed, and the index.html is now uploaded. Okay. Now it means we have moved the index.html from your personal computer to the website. Now this file will be accessible globally. Now how you can access your web page index.html? Let's try to see. If I come to this particular tab, first tab, my websites, it will show my website name is Ajay Kapse. The status of the website is running, and the address of my website is ajayKapse.000webhostapp.com. If I click here, you can see my web page is now hosted. You can also try this particular URL on your web browser and see whether your web page is hosted or not. So this is now my web page is hosted. Now, as I told, try to name it as index.html. So when you name any file as index.html, this will be the first web page that will be open when you visit your website. So let's try to create one more web page. I'll simply copy this index.html and paste it here, and I'll rename it with the 2.html or 1.html, and then I'll open it with the brackets. And I'll call this as this is 1.html, or this is a page having name 1.html. So I'll double click and open. Now currently you can see it is on my desktop. It says it's a page having name 1.html. Similarly, I can create one more page. So just copy and paste it, and I'll name it as 2.html. And again, I'll be opening it with the help of brackets. And let's say I'll be putting the content here as .html. I'll open it. This is 2.html, and this is the contents on 1.html. But both the pages are on my PC. Now I'm going to upload these pages. So again, I'll click on upload files. I'll be selecting the files. I'll be selecting both files, that is 2.html and 1.html, and I'll upload these files. As you can see, currently 1.html and 2.html is uploaded. Now the web server consists of index.html, 2.html, and 1.html. Now there are three web pages available on my site, but when I visit to my website, by default, index.html page will be open. So index.html is the first web page that will be opened when you visit your website. Or you can say index.html is nothing but the home page of your website. Now, how to open one.html? Simply type /one.html. When I type one.html, it will be opening the page having name as one.html. Now you can observe in the address bar, it is not on my desktop, it is actually hosted on your server. If I want to open the 2.html, I'll be typing as ajayKapse.000 webhostapp.com 2.html. As you can see, we host the web page, the name 2.html. So this is how we can host a simple web page on a free hosting server. The hosting server that we have seen is the 000webhost.com. You can also try hosting the simple web page. This is your assignment. So you have to try hosting the simple web pages on this particular 000webhost.com. Okay. So always remember, all of the web hosting services will have by default this particular folder that is called as public_html, where you have to put your website related files. This for current lecture, and we'll see the more complex type of hosting in the next. So thank you.